Kia ora whānau. Today we'll be making some side skirt extensions for the BN kit. Picked these side skirts up for very cheap. Gonna make some extensions just to give her that extra low look, you know. So she sits at the moment. Got to sack the front of it. Just gonna measure how long from here to there. Go to Bunnings and get these skirts done. Got a bit of a weird look. Gonna use it. Otherwise, could probably just use this stuff. 25 bucks. Bunnings, not bad. Let's roll. So we just got back from Bunnings. The timber cost $25. I'll show you what it is. This is the stuff. Yeah, $25 from Bunnings. Cheap boy cheap. Then I bought some rustoleum spray paint. I got a gloss black just to see what it's like. I went for this different looking style. It's got a bit of a groove in it. It's pretty nice. It'll definitely look different. These ones are the ones that we made for the Kazi's S15. They got a heaps more subtle look, not as full on, which will go nice. So 25 bucks for 5 meters, can't get wrong. $13 for spray paint. It's like $39 for 40 bucks. So yeah, that's basically how the side skirt extensions are gonna look. I'm gonna paint them black. I want to paint them another color later on down the track. Should look nice. Just gonna wipe it down with wax and grease remover.
Was nice, thought I might float on it just for Kelston and Evandale. You come bragging about that smack around here.
Just gonna add 3 layers of this stuff, or a few layers.
About piece to Jordash, mash, they gonna crash to your bar tab stats, tighter than your broad gas. Used to do that grab and dash for cash, horse stats, back and forth fab, talk more gaps than talk back. Now I rap for my money.
First layer done. Gonna let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. Just dry it up. Gonna get layer 2.
That's now all blacks, play out tracks, pure hash in my sock drawer stash, blowing smoke out my window. Hey yo, yeah.
Then screw her in. These are coming out real nice. Hold on. And like that, it's done. Onto the second side, just gonna do the same thing and get back when we're dropping it on the ground.
Blowing smoke out my window.
Come out nice. The extensions look real good. Looks nice when they're touching the ground too. But yeah, there you go, cheap mod. Well, we got Tyler's one fitted up. Just got to finish off my ones and yeah. Here's the ones for the Salady. It's a gloss black instead of a satin. Come out nice. Put them on once they're dry. They're still a bit wet. Probably put them on tomorrow. It's a bit dark now, so we're just gonna get a video in the morning of them on the Salady. Well, yeah, they come out nice. There you go, final results. Not bad at all. There's a more different look, bit of a rough look. There's the other option. It's a bit of a cleaner look. There you go. Anyway, guys, under $40 side skirt lips. Cheap boy cheap.